In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install MetaTrader 5 Forex stocks app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to install or download this app from Google Play Store, but you are getting this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go to your Google Play Store app and open it. Then make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your app. However, if you are already logged in but unable to download or install the app, then click on the account profile and go to settings. Here, go to network preferences and then find app download preference. Choose the first option over any network to ensure that you can download your app via the current network you are connected to. So save these changes by tapping on OK, then turn on your data or even Wi-Fi, then try to download the app via Google Play Store. However, if at this point, if you still can't download the app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For this, you need to access the app info page, and you can do so through settings, or the shortcut method is just to long press on Google Play Store and you should see app info option. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Google Play Store app information page. Here we need to first force the app to stop by tapping on force stop and OK. This will ensure that no activities is running in the background. You will also need to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So for that, just go to clear data here and choose the last option, clear cache. This will clear data that is usually collected for your app that is used to enhance user experience. So the problem is when this data accumulate or these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So one thing you have to note that cache data won't affect anything on your app, and also you won't be logged out. Now at this point, you need to restart your smartphone and then go open your Google Play Store app, and it's time now to search for our app. So I'll search the app by name, MetaTrader 5, and now I'll search it, and here we go, we have our app here. I'll now proceed and tap on install to see if the problem has been fixed. And as you can see, now I'm able to download and install the app from Google Play Store. However, if you still can't download this app at this point, then you might need to check if you have enough space. For that, you'll need to free up space by deleting unnecessary or unwanted apps, as well as files such as images and videos that you no longer need from your smartphone before you can download the app. So that's how you can fix can't install MetaTrader 5 Forex stock app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.